Happy Halloween and welcome back. Today we'll be making two cocktails. The first cocktail will be an apple cinnamon ginger ale with Yolo Rum Gold, Saint Germain Elderflower liqueur, ginger ale, lime juice, and cinnamon apple syrup. We'll be creating the cocktail in a cocktail glass, adding ice to the cocktail glass. 2 ounces of Yolo Gold.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1 ounce of elderflower liqueur. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. 0.75 ounce of apple cinnamon syrup that I made by boiling apples with cinnamon stalks. Give it a swirl. Now I'm going to be rimming the glass with honey. And cinnamon sugar. Did you just add cinnamon with sugar together? Comes out really well. Add crushed ice. Pour in your cocktail.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And top it off with some ginger ale. Last but not least, craft ice of some apple syrup. And candied apple as a garnish. Apple cinnamon ginger ale. And for the second cocktail, we'll be creating Darth Vader, which is a very dark cocktail, very craft cocktail. We'll be adding Yolo Rum Gold, Hazelnut liqueur, chocolate bitters, lime juice, and black cherry juice with lemongrass simple syrup. We'll be mixing in the mixing glass, and we'll be adding ice to the mixing glass. 2 ounces of Yolo Gold. 1 ounce of hazelnut liqueur. You can use Frangelico, you can use whichever nut liqueur. 2 dashes of chocolate bitters. 1/2 ounce of lime juice. And 2 ounces of black cherry juice. And 1/2 ounce of lemongrass simple syrup. You get lemongrass or lemongrass paste and you boil it with about 1/2 cup of sugar for about 1/2 hour. Mix the cocktail for a minute. Be adding a charcoal infused craft ice, and to finish off, black cherry garnish. Darth Vader.